Hello, this is Jason from VEMS. I was giving a tutorial on how to connect a launch control to your VEMS ECU. First of all, start up VEMS Tune, connect to your ECU. Here I'll just load a default config because I don't have an ECU connected. Okay, so I have a config loaded. What you're going to want to do is when you're connected to the ECU, go here to the ADC all, and here you'll see all your ADC channels in raw and calibrated. Some of them should be 5 volts. Those would be the ones that have a pull-up on them. And what you do is you see here ADC raw channel 4. If that reads 5 volts, it likely means you have a pull-up on it. You could also have a sensor that's reading 5 volts right now. But if you have a pull-up on that sensor, then you're going to want to go put a pin in that position in the EC18 connector and try to ground it. If you ground that wire and it goes to 0 volts, then that's a good channel for you to use for launch control. And what you're going to want to do with launch control is have that wire coming from the EC18 connector on your ADC channel and go to a switch, usually a momentary push button, and then on the other side of that switch you're going to go to ground. So what you're going to do is you're going to ground the ADC input, and when that's grounded it's going to activate launch control. So once you know what channel you're on and you have your wire set up, you go here to inputs and your input channels and your launch input channel if you're doing launch control. Of course this works similar for all of them, and let's say channel 4. Actually we already have the warning ADC on channel 4, channel 5, and then you burn it and test it. And usually once you ground that wire through the momentary push button, then it'll activate launch control. And motorsports, launch control, you can set up all your launch control parameters here. So that should do it. If you have any questions on this or something isn't clear, definitely let me know in the comments and I'll clear this up. Maybe make an additional video or rework this one. And thank you very much.